Hey guys, Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your boar hair brush. So I remember getting asked the question a few weeks ago, how often you should clean the boar hair brush. Now, it's going to depend on your usage and how much products you're using, because as you use the products, it tends to pick them up from your beard, and then it starts to attract dust and hair, and it starts to build up and get dirty. So I would suggest maybe once every 2 weeks. You can gauge that, and if it's getting dirtier sooner than that, you could go ahead and switch to once a week. But it's really simple to clean the brush. Tools that you're going to need is your brush. Obviously, you'll need a comb and some beard wash. So it's pretty straightforward. Those are all the tools you'll need. So I'm going to go ahead next and show you how to do it.
Okay, so see the brush here. First step you want to do is grab your comb, and you want to use the comb to get out some of the hair or debris that's inside of the brush. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Don't want to be too rough, so you don't want to pull the bristles out of the brush from being too rough. Okay, next step, we're going to get the brush wet. And I'm going to grab the beard wash here. Put a little bit on my hand. Just go ahead and make sure you hit all the bristles. Okay, once that's done, rinse it off. Shake off the excess water. Then right now what I'm doing, I'm just feeling to make sure I cleaned it properly. I'm feeling to see if it's still a little greasy from the oil and the other products that I use in my beard. So I can probably wash it again because I'm still feeling some residue from those products. Rinse it off again. Okay, that feels much better than before. So again, shake out the excess water. Grab the towel here. Just dry it a little bit. Then I'm just going to leave it on the towel to dry. And that's it.
So I hope that video helped answer any questions you had about cleaning your brush, maintaining it. If you have any questions about anything you saw today, feel free to leave it in the comments section below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.
Dude, you want simplicity? Grab the styling balm. It's designed for your hair and your beard. It will give a satin finish with a medium hold. No, it's not a conditioning product. It's a styling product. Styling balm over at beardbrand.com.